Hi there. Inside this box is everything you need to get started with a new iiQKA.OS and ecosystem from KUKA. In this Getting Started video series, I'll show you more about the new user interface, as well as how to program with the new smart programming method. But first, I want to show you just how fast and easy it is to get the system unboxed, set up, and ready to operate. Let's get started. First out is the box full of the cables and the quick setup guide. Next, we have the heart of the robot system, the KRC5 microcontroller. It's really small, able to set up in almost any workspace. It runs off of standard power supplies, and it's the first generation of controller from KUKA that runs both the existing operating system and the new iiQKA.OS. Next up, we have the Smartpad Pro. It's the first operator device from KUKA designed to work specifically with iiQKA.OS. It's housed inside a durable shell, has a very large touchscreen that's very sensitive. It also works with gloves. And last but not least, we have the LBR Easy Cobot. LBR Easy is the first robot from KUKA to run on iiQKA.OS. It's also a small cobot, which means it's safe to work around humans. And to make it as fast as possible to get it all set up, you can option to order it with a pre-configured and pre-installed gripper. Only thing left to do is get all these things plugged in and booted up. Okay, robot's mounted, cables are all connected. Only thing left to do is turn the system on and boot it all up. Well, that was quick. From the box to set up and ready to start working with in a matter of minutes. In the next videos, I'll take you through the new user interface, as well as a deeper look at the new smart programming method from KUKA. Thanks for watching.
Industrial intelligence.